All right, y'all, we in Philly D's garage. So today I got the Buick LS in here. So I've been driving it, and lately, like, it's just been like sputtering a lot. So I'm like, I might need a tune-up. So let me show y'all what I did. So now it's been like 4 years since I did a tune-up on this car. Probably at least 40,000 miles if I had to take a wild guess, but long story short, it was sputtering, so I got tired of, procrastinating with it. So I pulled the spark plug, which I got right here. As y'all can see, the gap ain't that, it's not that wide, but it's a little bit over. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you how you can check your spark plug gap real quick. Hold on, let me get y'all sit it somewhere real quick. All right, so see your spark plug right there. So you take your spark plug gapper right here. I got a better one at work, but this is the one I got right here. So you just take your tool, and on here you just slide this up like this until you get to the spot, until it stops basically, right? So I don't know if y'all can see that, but this car should be around like 60 thousandths of an around 60,000. So this measured at 65 thousandths. So this is above where it should be at. So pretty much that was enough for me to be like, all right, I gotta do a tune-up. So I was gonna pull another spark plug just to compare it, from one bank, and then check another bank just to compare the two spark plugs. But the one part spark plug I pull is more than enough, evidence for me to want to do a tune-up. So I went ahead, got some AC duct cord wires. It's a GM, so I like to stick to the manufacturer stuff. And then you got the AC duct cord spark plugs. I got 6 of those, of course, because it's a 6-cylinder. What else? Yeah, so I ain't gonna bore y'all with doing this tune-up. It's pretty easy. You just got these wires. All right, let me see. You got one here. So the hardest part of this tune-up on these 3800s is getting the wire off itself. Let me see if y'all can see that. See the wire down there? Sometimes it can be real hard getting these off. So you got to get in there and twist it. Twist, and get off. Pull it off. But it's not really the front ones that be bad, though. It'd be the back ones. The back ones can be a bitch getting off. So you do the same thing you do up here, but just in the back, you ain't got that much space. So that's the hardest part of this tune-up, is the back plugs. Yeah, y'all. So, and if y'all wondering what lights I'm using, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's pretty bright, right? I got one of my Astro pneumatic lights right here, and I got one of my Snap-on lights right there. So that's what I'm using right now for the light. That's what I'll probably use for this tune-up. I got a long bar too, a long bar that goes across. Let me show y'all that bar real quick. I might as well just show y'all the bar, so I have an idea what it is, right? This is my long light right here. See how long ago? I can't turn it on, but I don't know what to do. Switches up. There it is. See? There's one big light. But I don't like pulling it out all the time. So it stays in the drawer looking pretty, just like that. All right, y'all. So yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all what's going on with the Buick LS. I'm going to bang out this tune-up real quick. But yeah, yo, like I said, it's easy. Tune-up is real easy. But yeah, if you feel your car sputtering or something like that, you know what I mean, it won't hurt to pop out a spark plug real quick, take a look at it, see what it's looking like, and go from there. You know what I mean? Looking at a spark plug can tell you a lot about how your car is running. Pretty much tell you everything about how your car is running. So don't be scared to pop it out, take a look at it. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. A little bit of bonus footage. All right, y'all. So before I started, I wanted to just elaborate a little bit on, like, I know I said this is a tune-up. Basically, it is a tune-up, but some people would consider a tune-up like, you know, spark plugs, wires, coils, but also your fuel filter, an oil change, your air filter, your cabin filter, you know, different parts of the world people would consider a tune-up, you know, a million different ways, all right? But in my case, I'm just changing the spark plugs and the wires, all right? And I already did that. It's done, all right? Also, your spark plugs, when you get them, I know a lot of times, most of the time, spark plugs come pre-gapped. Like they already come gapped to where you need it to be at. But you can't always assume that they're pre-gapped. So I advise you to check your gap before you install them. So like I checked my gap and these are at 40 thousandths. They're not supposed to be at 40 thousandths. Okay? So just check your gap before you install these spark plugs. Also, when I took out the rest of these spark plugs, some of them were way wider than the other ones. So I initially told y'all that the one was like 65 thousandths, but some of these are like 67, 68. So good thing I made the call to just change them, and that's probably why I had that I had a random misfire. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for y'all. Let's make sure this joint run right. Oh, we got the scanner. We got the scanner just in here. Oh shit. Alright, y'all. Oh, check out the little smoker thing. Oh, that's how Philly D get down. Yeah, check it out, y'all. Damn. And you just close it, open it. So you just leave it like halfway and to keep the light out, so I could just be driving, just pluck my little shit in there. You know what I'm saying? That shit go hard. All right, let's start her up. Yeah, let me make sure everything good though. Hold on. Make sure I'm tripping and shit. Hold on. Let me just make sure ain't nothing in the way, y'all. Y'all gotta be safe, right? Everything is everything is dandy. All right, let's start her up, y'all. Let's start her up. I already deleted the light. I deleted the light. I think I deleted the light. Let's start her up. Oh. Sound good. No check engine light. Check engine light is off. That's what we want right there. Oh man. All right. I might as well just take her tomorrow. You know what I mean? Might as well just take her tomorrow. Take her tomorrow. All right, y'all. So there you go. Simple check your spark plugs. That could tell you a lot of things about what's going on with your car and the drivability. You know, always check the gap on your spark plugs. Yeah, man, and your car keep running for a long time. All right. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one.